Okay. I am. I'm actually quite nervous. I don't know why. I'm on the train now to Edinburgh. Let me see. It's very early now. It's what time is it? It's six, quarter past six. I'm down to Edinburgh to pick up my passport from the embassy, and yeah, it is very early. I got up at what 4:30, and yeah, now it's still very dark outside. It's yeah, no, it's Scotland, right? It's 6 o'clock, still very dark. Okay, so now what I'm doing today, I have a kit in my bag. Look, this is a challenge kit, and I'm going to do it on the train. So I will read the challenge card. So I show you what I got. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. Okay, now this is my silicone mat. I'm gonna put my camera here. And this is my kit. I'm gonna read you my challenge card. Where's my challenge card? I'm quite happy it's empty. It would be so embarrassing if it's a lot of people. I know it's actually would be more challenging, but I have to be honest with you. This is my first challenge. I don't know what's gonna go around, and I'm a bit shy to do it. So okay, here you go. Challenge card. So silk painting agent challenge. Complete a silk painting on public transport such as a train, plane, or bus. The quote: "Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all." Helen Keller. So on top of the card it says, "On my way to become a better me." So that is a challenge. Let's see the back. The back of this challenge card. Here the tips. Okay, I'm gonna review the tips as well. You only need the basic tools from the kit. This is the basic tools from the kit, plus a bottle of brush cleaning water. So I do have my water here. Okay, this bottle is for cleaning my brush. Okay, and a pack of tissue. I hope I got one in my bag. Oh, I got a pack of tissue. Find a comfortable seat, preferably near a window or good light source. Good lighting. Relax, focus on the process, and enjoy creating while on the move. Okay, I am on the move now. Don't aim for the perfection. Simply embrace the experience of creating in transit. It says good luck. And so the gross significance is creating art in an unfamiliar environment pushes you out of your comfort zone, challenge you to adapt and stay focused despite external changes. This challenge helps you overcome resistance to new environments, boosting your adaptability and creativity. Boldly creating in a public setting symbolizes your willingness to break norms and take the first step towards personal growth. That's why it's a challenge. It is, right? Even I feel challenging. Okay, first challenge is reading that out in English. Now that is done. Now let's get started to have a look of my kit. Put my phone away. Now look, this is not really helpful, the window, but this is a very good lighting on the train, and the train is moving. You can see my water. I wonder what this thing looks like. Okay, now this is the kit I have. It's a silk penning kit, silk penning starter kit, and for ages 8+. I wouldn't suggest 8+ to do it on the train. Perfect for beginners. Okay, let's open. This is my card I'm going to finish on the train. Look at this. Right. So let's see what we have in here. I have this card, a Christmas card, and have 3 colors. And a pen brush, a palette, dropper, and this silk penning agent ID. So the dreams about this guy made wings wants to fly. Okay, here inside this is agents. So this is a level up. That's how to level up. Once you're done your challenge, you level up. And I'm not gonna read this. And if you get a kit, you can read it. And here, this is a tip how to use your 3 color to make more color. So okay, now I have everything. I'm gonna put it. I will start. This is a silk. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna do 1 color at a time. So I think I start with blue. This blue. First, I'll prepare my working surface. I never painted on the train. I mean, coloring with pen, yes, but never with ink and everything. I really just want to test it out before I let others to challenge. I have to do it myself first to see that's possible. This space prepared. I will start with to color blue. I'm only gonna put a tiny little bit of color here because I don't want to make a mess. Let's see. Not making too perfect. Remember the tip not try to make things perfect. But this blue is not the blue I want.
We are now approaching Finch. Please mind the gap when leaving the train.
if I want to make it more like what I want it to be, I need to make some green. And for making green, okay, I am my perfectionist, right? I should just use the blue I have. Be happy with what I got here. Okay, I have to make a green. I have to make that blue. Now I got a little bit. Yeah. I'm not very good at demonstrating non-perfectionist, right? But I get my tissue ready. Okay. So let's do it. I'm gonna show you my picture. Yeah, my first brush stroke on the train. I made the blue quite dark. Okay, now concentrate. The train is stopping. Now we are arriving inch. You see? Can't see. It's still too dark to see outside. Okay, let's get back to here, not get distracted. Oops.
This is Inch. This train is for Edinburgh Waverley.
Make sure you
The next
use
stop
angle.
is Invergoody.
Let's see if you can see my angle.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform as you leave the train.
So this here is the design. Blue. And here.
The next stop is Invergoody.
Yeah, I've done half of the blue. Now, let's do the rest. Okay, now I'm gonna put the red in here, and then what is it? Red and yellow. I really need to wash my paintbrush this time. I'm so lucky every time when I wash my paintbrush, the train's stopping. Now it looks like this. So far, almost there. I have to share you this. I've dropped my pen in the bottle. You see? My pen brush is there. I don't know how to get it out.
This is Dyke.
I don't know how to get it out now.
This train is for Edinburgh Waverley.
Okay, I'm not going to take my pen brush. It's there in here. And I'm going to finish because I only need a tiny little bit. I only need a tiny little bit of green in here, so I'm just gonna use my dropper to do that. So yeah. So that's a little bit yellow and a little bit blue. Oops. There's too much blue in there. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit, teeny. Look how I fix that tiny bit here. Got it done on the side. This is so easy with silk painting. Because once you drop it, the silk will just automatically absorb it, make it even
We are
fully.
now approaching Aberdeen.
With Aberdeen, I never
Please mind
found
the gap when leaving
this
the
journey
train.
is so fast. I never knew it could be so close, so quick to get Aberdeen. Okay, now this painting is finished, and I'm going to put it in a card. That's my project, my challenge done. So let's wait for it to dry. When I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna tidy up. So look at this. I tidied my table. No more messy. So this is the design I printed. I find in a package. And this is my finished work. I've done this in 45 minutes, I think. Now, let's put it in the frame. So this is the most satisfying part. You see, I framed it now. I'm going to put this up.
The next stop is Stonehaven. If you see something that does not look right, speak to a member of staff or text the British.
So ta-da! This is the card is finished now. I think it looks very Christmassy, and yeah, I'm gonna put it away to the envelope. This is my challenge finished. So I just want to say there's 2 bags in this pack. This bag is for the card, so you can use it as a rubbish. And the other one is just tidying up. And here, the other thing I've got is is this mat. It's actually very useful for this type of challenge because it keeps everything on the surface not moving around.